What's up everyone, it's Liz. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the default settings in QuickBooks Online so that you can customize your reports to how you want them to look. So maybe you want your logo to show up, maybe you want to center everything or put it to the left or to the right, you want to add grid lines, change colors, whatever it is that you want to do, it's completely possible and we can change those default settings in less than 90 seconds. So let's get started.
So here we are in QuickBooks, and the easiest way to find this is by going up here to the gear where it says settings, and under settings I'm going to scroll down where it says default report settings. So I really love this because now you can really customize your reports to whatever it is that you want them to look like. So let me show you a few examples. Under visual we have the header, and let's say I want my report to say the report period, and as you can see these changes are going to start reflecting in the right. Maybe I want to have the company name. Maybe I want to have the company logo. Maybe instead of centering it, I want to make it go left, or I want to make it go right. You can make this look however you want. Then we could do the footer. So let's say you want to show the report basis, cash versus accrual. So it'll show you the basis right down there. You could center it. You could change it to left or right. Then we also have custom highlights. I actually really like this one. I'm going to show you what this looks like. Here we have column highlights, so I'm just going to choose a random color, and you're going to notice that it's going to highlight a specific column. So you can mess around with this and see if you like one of the colors. Maybe you like something a little bit less intense. You could choose that. Maybe you want to be a little bit more bold, but you could decide what it looks like, and you could test it, mess around with it. We have banded rows, which makes reports a little easier to read, especially when you have multiple lines. So let's say I wanted to do something like this, where every other line has that color. You could do something like that as well. We also have this new feature, which is empty cells. So you can leave it blank, or you can have it show up as a dash. If there's a cell, let's say installation had nothing, it was 0, you could put a dash or leave it blank. You can even customize the grid lines on your reports. So right now it's at default, but let's say I wanted no borders, or let's say I wanted horizontal borders. So you can really mess around with this and decide how you want it to look. And then the last thing is the formatting. If you want negative numbers to show in red, I actually turned this on for myself. So you would check this box and any negative numbers would show up in red so that they stand out a little faster for you in a report. And then the last one is the view. So the view would be compact, normal, cozy, or comfort. So let's say I did normal. Again, you could see how it gives you the different options. Cozy, it's a little bit more spread out. Comfort, even more spread out. So you can choose really whichever one it is that you want. Now just make sure that when you're done, you scroll all the way down and you click the save button, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to save your customization changes? Just one more time, I'm going to click yes, save and exit, and that's it. That is how I change the default report settings in QuickBooks Online.
And that's it. If you want to learn how to navigate QuickBooks Online and get one-on-one training with me, schedule with the link below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Until next time, ciao!